What's up, Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. Welcome to my channel where I help kids fall in love with reading. Today we're going to be opening up Kidlit book mail. It's my first video since I spent an entire week in Alaska. 14 presentations in 4 days. I had the most amazing time. Thank you to everyone that I met in Alaska, especially these amazing river otter 1st and 3rd graders that I got a chance to hang out with and talk about creativity. I had the time of my life. If I could move anywhere, 100% would be Alaska. It is the greatest. It's like one of the greatest places I've ever been. I just miss it. I miss it so much. But that's not what today's about. Today is about Kidlit book mail, the books that were sent to me by authors, illustrators, publishers, and more. And I'm excited about this book because I know that my friend sent this book because I saw his name on a return address. My friend, author, co-host of my podcast, The Yarn, teacher librarian. Oh, and look at a little note for my friend Travis. Just one wave. I read Travis's book, Just One Flake, to kids in Alaska. They totally, get the snow. I also read his book with Ruth Chan, Caboose, to kids in Alaska. And I'm so excited to read my 5th graders, Just One Flake. I like Just One Wave. Check out the case. So exciting. And if you know Travis, he loves Lake Michigan. So I'm sure this book is very Lake Michigan. I knew it. So when in the fall, like late fall, I put on the board, read the first school snow day. Do not read until it snows, basically. I just put it up on the board and the kids really want to read it. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this book. I'm gonna put a little sign on the board and it's gonna say, do not read until the first 75-degree school day. And then as soon as we get a day where it's 75 degrees, we're gonna read this book. I'm so darn excited. Just one wave, let's go. Okay, and then this I'm very excited about. Please do not bend. This is from Jonathan Todd, the author of the amazing graphic novel, Timid, which I read and I talked about online. And then he sent me a message, and he asked me if I wanted something very special from him. And of course I said yes. This is art from the book Timid. So, be very careful opening this. Oh, my cats are fighting. Okay, so this is original. Oh my gosh. Original art. And look on the back. And he said if there was any page that I wanted. I love this. I have to get this professionally framed. This is really, really, really special. So if you haven't read Timid, be sure to read it. One of my favorite graphic novels from last year. And now I am a proud owner of a piece of art from the book. And a little note that I will read. Probably not while I'm recording. That's the nicest thing. That is so, can you imagine? See how big that page was? He used that for every single page in the book. How amazing is that? Okay, and I saw this one because I recognized Ibram's name on the package. So very excited about this. Malcolm Lives, the official biography of Malcolm X for young readers. That's exciting. Exciting to dive into this book, anything that he writes. Truly, truly, truly is a must read. Okay, let's see what we have here. Glitch Girl, that looks fun. And a novel in verse about a trans girl who plays a computer game to process an ADHD diagnosis, the isolation of middle school, and her relationship to gender. Well, that sounds phenomenal. Gotta check that out. One of my son's best friends is a trans girl who's obsessed with video games. So might have someone that I should, after I read it myself, because I gotta read that book, I might have someone, friend to share it with. Very exciting. Oh my, the glass pyramid. Doesn't that look beautiful? Story of the Louvre Museum and architect I.M. Not sure. Give you a little peek inside. Exciting. I love a good picture book biography. Flash learning how the world works, why it works the way that it does. All right, let's see what we have here. At a home in a faraway place. From Newbery medalist, Michigan creator. Lynn Ray Perkins, very exciting. Northern Michigan. Recording this right after a very, very intense storm in northern Michigan. So hopefully Lynn and all the northern Michiganders are doing okay. All right, let's open up this box from HarperCollins. I like this HarperCollins box because I can put all these other books in this box. Always thinking. As you can see, I'm very behind in getting my books read and getting copies to school and all that stuff. So, just trying to do better. Trying to do a little bit better every day. Okay, let's see what we have here. Lots of books. Let's start here. Let's just grab one. Hello There, Sunshine, Tabitha Brown. I'm not sure who Tabitha Brown is, but I know she's really famous. How do I know she's really famous? Because anytime a picture book author is really famous outside of the picture book world, often the back cover looks like this. The big picture of them. So, who's Tabitha Brown? An Emmy Award-winning host, NAACP Image Award winner, actress, and vegan food star who's affectionately known as America's Mom. Super famous. See, I told you. Wolf Girl Into the Wild. I read this book. It was really fun. Introducing the international bestseller. Oh, so this is like a bestseller in a different country. I read this book. It was great. Really fun. When does it come out? What's out? Oh yeah, I read the advanced copy. Yay. Really fun, like adventure story, like Hatchet Lovers. I witnessed the Lizzie Borden story. Will anyone believe what Charlie saw? I don't know. I'm gonna have to read to find out if they do. Okay. Botticelli's Apprentice. This looks super fun. Oh yeah. This is the year of the graphic novel, folks. The year of the graphic novel. Every year is kind of the year of the graphic novel. This year, for sure. Okay. 13 Ways to Say Goodbye. This is the book I didn't know I needed. Somebody said that about this book. That's exciting. Novel and verse. Loving my novel and verses. Faith Takes the Train. Ah, that looks fun. I love this cover. Look at this whole cover. Isn't it breathtaking? Beautiful. Girls Belong in Space. Why, yes, they do. 100%. Couple of I can read books. Serge and Roscoe. Help is just a woof away. Very fun. We need some River Otter shirts. Books. River Otter books. The Smelly Goat Scruff. Stinky Stories. JJ and Chris Grabenstein. Ooh, husband-wife combination. That's exciting. Always looking for new, this is the third book in a series. I did not know that. The Wizard of Earthsea, a graphic novel. Oh my. Timeless. Is this timeless on the back? That looks beautiful. Check that out. All those books are going to go in here. Let's try to get caught up because we're a little behind. We're a little behind. That's okay. It's okay. It's okay to be behind. All right, got some nonfiction looks like in here. Learner books, always make some great ones. Another great box. Take a Hike and Other Ways to De-Stress and Relax in Nature. Amazing. That looks awesome. What to Do When Mistakes Make You Quake. A Kid's Guide to Accepting Imperfection. Well, we all could use that. And what do you do when you panic? A Kid's Guide to Transforming Panic into Personal Power. What to do when your temper flares. What to do when the nerves scare you. Mindful Nature, Connecting with Our Great Green World. Calm Your Roar Like a Dinosaur. Happy Together. Well, that looks fun. Well, those are some great books. We have a lot of, we have counselors and people helping kids with all their feelings at school. We've been hiring new people, behavior support coaches, all sorts of different people to help us out, help our kids, which is awesome. So I'm going to be sharing some of those books with them and see what they think, see if they can tell me what's up. Always looking for great books to help the kiddos. Okay, a couple books here. Well, that looks fun. Biggest Fake in the Universe. Oh my. A Gift from the Universe. Started off innocently enough. Mo just wanted to catch a girl's eye. She was super talented and mysterious skater who looked like she had the universe all figured out. And there's more. Let's read the book to find out. Chapter book. Humpty's Great Fall. Oh no. Worried about Humpty. Okay, we're kind of on a roll, so let's try to catch up a little bit. Let's try to catch up. It could be a long video. Anyone's sticking around to the end, you're amazing. What do we have here? Charlie Mouse cleans house. Let's go. Dwarfs. A surprise in the wood. A touching story of love and the true meaning of him. I wish you could feel it. In a moonlit night, a fine thread descended from a star. It says on the back. Okay, downpour, splish, splash, curse splash. Very fun. Dear new friend, come inside me, my family. Welcome to my home. All right. Really, really, really good beach party. Did not have any really, really, really good beach parties in Alaska. That is bad. Okay, we have 4 left. Let's do 1. Let's do this one from Holiday House, and then we'll call it Caught Up and save these 3 for next time. Okay, Holiday House. That's exciting. Okay, the Danger Files, real life disasters. What would you do? From the Titanic to the Boston molasses flood, investigate 5 famous historical disasters. I'm gonna have to do that. Let's see what else we got. I have a kid like learning about Chicago Fire. He wants to know more, so I'm gonna take this book to school tomorrow. Very exciting. I Am Rebel. That's just a gorgeous cover. Isn't that beautiful? Does the dog die? Hope not. Sweet Tart. I thought it was about the candy for a second. After witnessing a tragic event, 11-year-old Haley finds herself drawn to a lonely pony named Rocky in this heart-tugging story of patience, love, and hope. Sounds nice. Two-Headed Chicken, book 3. I love Tom Engelberger's books. Very excited about this one. Chaos in the Cosmic Library. I wish I could remember all of the kids who have loved Two-Headed Chicken, and I could introduce this to them over the years. But, you know, I have a very good memory. V. Millar, The Greatest Ranger of All Time. Looks fun. Is this a series? Maybe. Phenomenal Moments, revealing the hidden science around us. Find the extraordinary in the ordinary through surprising photographs of everyday scientific phenomena. Well, that's awesome. Let's see a couple pictures. Show this to my wife. She's a high school science teacher. Fault lines in the Constitution. Their framers, their fights, and the flaws that affect us today. Oh, we study the Constitution in 5th grade. That's exciting. Well, yeah, it's exciting. It's important. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you found something amazing to add to your to-read list. I know I did. Got a lot of reading to do. My name is Colby Sharp. Thank you for tuning in. Hope you have an awesome, fantastic